Welcome to this detailed walkthrough on how to fix squished images in PowerPoint. In this tutorial, we will start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Once your computer is ready, locate and launch the PowerPoint application. This step is essential because it sets the stage for everything that follows. An open PowerPoint program means you are ready to begin working with your presentation and making adjustments without any unnecessary delays. After PowerPoint has launched, you should navigate to the presentation you want to work on. Whether this is a presentation already in progress or one you have saved on your computer, open it now. Take your time to ensure that the correct file is loaded, as making changes in the wrong presentation can lead to confusion later on. This step is crucial for keeping your workflow organized and ensuring that you are modifying the intended slides. Once your presentation is open, identify the image that appears squished or distorted. This step involves carefully scanning through your slides until you find the picture that needs adjustment. It is important to select the squished picture so that any subsequent changes will only affect this image and help you restore its proper appearance. Being deliberate during this selection process helps avoid accidental edits to images that are already correctly proportioned. Now that you have selected the image, direct your attention to the options available on the PowerPoint menu. Locate and click on the Picture Format tab. The Picture Format tab houses many tools designed to fine-tune your image and correct distortions. Familiarizing yourself with this tab can be very beneficial if you find yourself needing to make further adjustments, or if you decide to explore additional image editing features within PowerPoint. Within the Picture Format tab, look for the Crop tool. Clicking on Crop will reveal a series of options, allowing you to modify the image's dimensions. Crop is a powerful tool that not only lets you remove unwanted parts of an image, but can also help with repositioning and scaling your selection to better suit your slide layout. Understanding how crop works is invaluable, especially when dealing with images that do not automatically render at the correct aspect ratio. Once you have activated the crop tool, the next step is to choose the fill option. The fill setting is designed to adjust the image so that it fills the available space in a more natural and proportionate manner. This particular setting helps fix the distortion that can make an image appear squished. By selecting Fill, PowerPoint will automatically adjust the dimensions of the image, ensuring that it fills out the placeholder while maintaining its original proportions as much as possible. By following these instructions carefully and methodically, you are now equipped to fix any squished images in your PowerPoint presentation. This tutorial walks you through opening your presentation, identifying the problematic image, navigating to the relevant tools, and making the necessary adjustments using the crop and fill options. Use these techniques to ensure that your images are displayed correctly, and your overall presentation remains professional and visually appealing. Enjoy your newly perfected slides and the clear, properly proportioned images they contain.